Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm going to talk to you about the cash flow conversion problems, and I'm going to focus more on the variable a, which is uniform series. So in a problem, if it gives you monthly payments or withdrawals or yearly, when you see those unit of times consistently, then you need to automatically associate it with the variable a because a represents the uniform series. And with the variable a, you can find f or p or g with the following formulas on the formula sheet. You need to make yourself familiar with this in order to find whatever the problem's asking for. And with a, you can also find those following variables that I've mentioned before with interest rate that's given usually, and n, which is the span of time that the problem is asking about. But before I go into details on a and problems that are asked about it, let me give you a little bit more insight of just cash flow in general. So let me give you a diagram of what cash flow looks like with the uniform series. So this is your span of time from 0 to n, and for consecutive years or months, depending on what time of unit is given in the problem, you have payments of a. And whatever the question's asking you, you may need to find p, which is the single amount at time 0, or f, which is a single amount at time n. And I shall discuss with you an example. So, example says you wish to deposit $3,000 at the end of each year into an account that pays 2.5% interest rate per year for 16 years. How much money will you have accumulated in the account after the last deposit? Now, when you hear this question, you hear at the end of each year, which you should think, okay, that's basically saying annually or yearly, and you should associate it with a. And it's asking for the accumulated amount in the last deposit, which is asking for f. So it is this example given up here, as I have given the diagram of the cash flow series. And the following numbers were $3,000 at the end of each year for 16 years, and the interest rate was 2.5%. And the formula sheet, if you look for f given a, which is notated like this, this is the mathematical representation of what given a means. So we're trying to find f. So if you find that on your formula sheet, you see that f equals, here, let me erase this much, a times 1 plus interest rate to the nth power minus 1 divided by I. And when you plug in all the values, make sure you convert the percentage to a decimal. 16 years minus 1 and 0.025. Plug this into a calculator and your answer should be 58,140. And that's it. It's that simple. You just have to plug it into the formula and find whatever it is you're looking for. The tricky part, I guess, is identifying which variables are which, and just be on the lookout with key words. For example, the final value or the end of time n, that will be f, and then annually, monthly, that will be a, and initial investment, the start, will be at time 0, which is p. So good luck with that.